In this world, if you don't have money, if you are poor, people, they can't entertain you, they can't hear what you're saying. If you don't have money, they will say, okay, your opinion doesn't have value here because you can't even contribute. But now what I'm trying to do now, I want to show them that I'm successful without following ancestors, just trusting in God.
Currently, with the population demographics of South Africa, 2/3 of the population are under the age of 35. So here are these students that are born after apartheid ended. They're called the born free generation. And they're receiving access to education, study, training, and they're still 2/3 of the country. Amaziani University students, they're coming from all different places. So they're coming from the northern parts of South Africa to the southern parts, but then they're coming to these public universities. A lot of them come from rural areas in South Africa. They want a better life. They don't want to live in poverty. They want to succeed. And some of them are tempted to hide their heritage as a Zionist.
The fact that I come from a rural area, it was hard there because we had a lot of disadvantages, and that taught me to work hard. So I became a hard worker before I came to university.
In talking with these students, some of them have said that they're the first in their family to go to university. And so because of that, they're receiving training and opportunities. So I think some of them have said the danger is just being selfish, of using this opportunity to get more for themselves. But I know a lot of these born free students that I've spent time with, they want to use this opportunity to serve others.
I thought preaching and teaching and reading the Bible is for those who are old, but I realized, no, it's not like that. It's not that because I'm old or because I'm young, no. We have to give each other an opportunity to do what God gave us to do.
One of the things the university groups is they help each other, encourage each other. You're a Zionist, I'm a Zionist. We can be Zionists together. We don't have to be ashamed. And I think that's one of the benefits, that they can have this home in the midst of an environment that would look down on them potentially.
I used to go to church because at home we go to church, so I would just go to church. But here it kind of helped me understand a bit more and build my faith. So I can say I got more of my faith here. You don't need a qualification to understand Jesus. You don't need to be famous, to be loved by Jesus. That's what I love about him. It doesn't matter who you are, you can still choose Jesus.
Some of them have told me in our entire lives growing up, going to church, we never heard about salvation. Can you imagine that, going to church for 20 years of your life, never hearing about salvation? And so there's a natural passion that they have to knowing Christ, to enjoying Christ, to wanting others to know salvation. They want that for their churches. They want that for their families and their communities, to also experience that freedom.
To be in God, you must also have love. And also I have noted with how God loves us. So that's also the things that I have came across. I believe in God, I serve God, I pray every day, but I tend to forget love, to love each other, even if someone is hating you, but you have to love that person. So I can say that's the experience that I got. Yeah.
They are also mixing ancestors and God still, but when I got in university, I started to differentiate that this thing doesn't go with God. I believe that I want people back at home to see God through me, to see God using me.
This is an incredible opportunity of students gathered together from all different communities, all different churches, that can go back and be witnesses in their jobs, in their families, as a church leader. If you really enjoy spending time with young people, and if you enjoy doing discipleship, that's pretty much what this ministry is. And so if you want to do something like that, this is a great opportunity.